only as a team is only as good as the sum of its players, meaning if you take out key components in the system, the others should be able to step up and fill in the gaps. With Priest Holmes out, Dante Hall covered, and Trent Green overpowered, there are some big gaps to fill.
They've taught me a lot since I've been here. This is my 4th year, so ever since I've been here, they just told me to be patient and keep doing the things that I'm doing, and one day I get my opportunity, and it's happening for me right now. When you're behind a guy that does such a great job, then you really don't get that many opportunities to showcase what you can do. So I was fortunate to get my start and go out and prove myself.
Derek Blaylock is a humble, patient man, but very clear about one thing: opportunity. It's contract year, and he's out to make a difference.
I would love to stay here in Kansas City because, I mean, they have the greatest fans. So we'll just have to see what happens after the year's over with. I feel real comfortable in the system. I mean, I feel like this is the place that I could call my home and really start a career, like you said. So that's why, hopefully I'll be here. But if not, we just have to wait and see about that one.
Take away the pain of this season, and it's somewhat comforting to know we have Derek Blaylock in the wings, learning what it takes to morph into a Priest Holmes prototype. Although postseason hopes are almost non-existent, we can expect to see big things from Blaylock in the future. For Metro Sports, I'm Morgan Shaw.